In this video, we're going to show you how to install a sway bar end link on your Nissan Versa, located on the left front side of your vehicle. Process for this is the same as the right front. Using a pry tool, you want to go ahead and remove our hubcap here. Go between the wheel and the cap and gently pry out. Work your way around. Pop that off and set it aside. Once you have that off, you can use a 22mm socket with your impact gun. Loosen and remove the lug nuts. Once you have the lug nuts removed, remove the wheel and set it aside. Using a 14mm, we want to go ahead and loosen our nut here on the sway bar link. On the back side of the link is also 14mm, so we're going to put our wrench on that and loosen and remove this nut. Set that nut aside. So on the bottom side, we have our 14mm wrench on the end link side here. We're going to use a 14mm socket and ratchet on the inside. Now we did spray these down with some rust penetrant ahead of time. Any project that you have, it's always a wise choice to go ahead and do that. All right, go ahead and spin that nut off there. Then we can go ahead and pull the link out. I'm going to take our new link here, feed that in, and we're just going to thread that nut on there. I like to spin that down as far as I can by hand. Line this up. And do the same here. Use our 14mm wrench on the back side. The purpose of doing this here is it keeps that ball joint socket from spinning inside, so the stud will stay stable while we secure the nut on the front. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the lower one here. Now let's go ahead and torque those down. Torque down this nut to 27 foot-pounds. Now that we torqued this one down, go ahead and do the same for the lower. Let's go ahead and install your wheel. Install the lug nuts. We're going to get all four of them started by hand. Spin those on a few threads. By doing this here and not just zipping them on with the impact gun, we'll prevent cross-threading of the threads. With all four of them started, let's go ahead and snug them down. Let's torque down the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Now, if you're installing your center cap or hub cap here, you want to go ahead and go around the perimeter and locate the notch for the valve stem. Locate the valve stem on the wheel. Line that up first. Once that's lined up, go ahead and gently work your way around the perimeter, locking this on. Once that's all set, you are done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.